Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can add new products or services on Sage accounting software. To add new product or service, you need to go to category or section called products and services. To add new item, click on new item button in right corner, and this is where we can select if this item will be stock, non-stock, or maybe a service. So let's start with the stock. Item code, let's say bread. Let's put bread 1. Okay, let's select category, either it's bakery, biscuits, or etc. In my case it will be under bakery. And now we can select different type prices for different purposes of how we would sell them. So sales price, let's say, is $2.50, but as part of trade it would be maybe $2.60, and if it's wholesale it might be $2.40. If price is the same, you can add the same price in every single section. Sales account, we would select either it's product, coffee shop, orders, services, or baking course. In my case, it will be as a product. So once invoice will be issued, it will default to this sales account or category from chart of accounts. If I buy this item and I don't bake myself, I can select a usual supplier. In my case, this is Baker's World. I can add supplier item code, for example, purchase description if there is, cost price, for example it's $1.50, account, it can go to stock, or if I buy and sell in the same day, I can say that I have costs of sales goods directly. So if you purchase in bulk and it's not perishable item, like 1 day perishable item, it will go to your stock, and once you issue an invoice, it will actually reduce stock level. So for example, reorder level is at let's say 10, and reorder quantity is 10 as well in that case. Okay, so if you have an opening balance, we can add it here. So as of today, for example, I have 10 on hand and cost of price is $1.80. Okay, and I can add additional information like location, barcode, weight, and other notes. So once we are happy with this stock item, we click save. Okay, and white bread being added there. That's a way how we can add a stock item. Let's add a non-stock item, which would be, for example, baking supplies. Okay, item description, I will add the colors, I hope it's correct there. Category, it will be under pastries, cupcakes. I can add the sales price, trade, wholesale, it applies. In my case, it's just a non-stock item and it doesn't apply, I don't resell it, but I buy this item from local shop. Description is baking supplies, price is, let's say, £3 per each, and I can select where it will go. In my case, it will go to baking supplies as a cost of sales. And once you're happy, click save, and it will record baking supplies at the top. Let's add a service item. So let's say service item code is let's say phone bill. Monthly. Select category. I will put online course that applies. but if it doesn't apply to this category, just leave blank. Okay, do we sell? I will say I don't sell in this case, but I buy from, let's say, rent company, and it's a telephone bill monthly, and I have £15, and I can select different account. In this case it will be, okay, let's go on amend phone bill, click edit, and it will be telephone category, and click save. So that's the way how we can add amend product or service. So if any of these need to be changed, we can click on it, and of course if price need to be amended, for example price for supplies, if we are reselling at a later point, we can click on edit and amend those details and add information here. So this is a way how you can add stock, non-stock or service items on Sage accounting software. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you have decided to start using Sage Accounting for your business, but you are not sure where and how to start, I have shared my link to my complete Sage tutorial in a description section below.